And here's the Haftarah for this Hanukkah. It's Zakaryah 2:14-4:7, and it's going to be kind of long, so if you, for lack of a better term, if you get bored or zone out, that's understandable. It's not always easy to sit and listen to something that's very long, even if it does come from Tanakh, which includes the Brit Kadasha. So here we go. By the way, I apologize that I'm taking a little long. I'm just trying to locate verse 14 here. Sing, daughter of Tizion. Rejoice, for here I am coming, and I will live among you, says Adonai. When that time comes, many nations will join themselves to Adonai. They will be my people, and I will live among you. Then you will know that it was Adonai Tizavot who sent me to you. Adonai will take possession of Yehudah as his portion in the Holy Land, and he will again make Yerushalayim his choice. Be silent, all humanity, before Adonai, for he has been roused from his holy dwelling. He showed me Yehoshua, the Kohen Hagadol, standing before the angel of Adonai, with the accuser standing at his right to accuse him. Adonai said to the accuser, May Adonai rebuke you, accuser. Indeed, may Adonai, who has made Yerushalayim his choice, rebuke you. Isn't this man a burning stick snatched from the fire? Yehoshua was clothed in garments covered with dung, and he was standing before the angel, who was standing in front of him. Take those filthy garments off of him. Then to him he said, See, I am taking your guilt away. I will clothe you in fine robes. I said, They should put a clean turban on his head. So they put a clean turban on his head and gave him fine robes to wear. While the angel of Adonai stood by. Then the angel of Adonai gave Yehoshua this warning. Adonai Tizavot says this. If you will walk in my ways, obey my commission, judge my house, and guard my courtyards, then I will give you free access among those who are standing here. Listen, Kohen Hagadol Yehoshua. Both you and your colleagues seated here before you, because these men are a sign that I am going to bring my servant Tizamach. For look at the stone I have put in front of Yehoshua. On one stone are 7 eyes. I will engrave what is to be written on it, says Adonai Tizvaot. And I will remove the guilt of this land in one day. When that time comes, says Adonai Tizvaot, you will all invite each other to join under your vines and your fig trees. Then the angel that had been speaking with me returned and roused me, as if he were waking someone from being asleep, and asked me, What do you see? I answered, I have been looking at a menorah. It's all gold, with a bowl at its top, 7 lamps on it, and 7 tubes leading to the lamps at its top. Next to it are 2 olive trees, one on the right side of the bowl, and the other on its left. I then asked the angel speaking with me, What are these, my lord? The angel speaking with me said, Don't you know what these are? I said, No, my lord. Then he answered me, This is the word of Adonai to Zerubbabel. Not by force, and not by power, but by my spirit, says Adonai Tizvaot. What are you, big mountain? Before Zerubbabel, you will become a plain, and he will put the capstone in place. As everyone shouts, It's beautiful! It's beautiful! This message from Adonai came to me. The hands of Zerubbabel have laid the foundation of this house, and his hands will also finish it. Then you will know that Adonai Tezvaot sent me to you. For even someone who doesn't think much of a day, when such minor events take place, will rejoice at seeing the plumb line in the hand of Zerubbabel. So, these 7 are the eyes of Adonai that will range all over the earth. I ended up skipping to verse 10, but that's the Haftarah for this Hanukkah, since there's only one Shabbat that occurs during this Hanukkah.